Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim free helicopter tokens in Heartopia. So you can get 100 for free. You can, I think, still get it from daily tasks as well. But basically, you will need them to kind of go and visit people's islands to rate their build for the Beaver Cup build challenge. So let's go to our mailbox, and as you can see, it says Babu Digi members, the exhibition period of the Beaver Cup Build Challenge starts now. Grab your friends and head to the exclusive islands to explore the fairy tale wonderland creations built by other members. And they kind of give you like instructions on it. Press claim and you'll get 100 of the tokens. Don't know why it's lagging. Okay, there we go. Of the helicopter token, I do have 865 because I play this game every single day. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.